In this quick guide, I'll show you how to customize your profile on Gumroad so you can make your page look more personal and professional. Whether you're a creator showcasing your work or building a brand, this simple setup will help your profile stand out. Once you're logged into your Gumroad account, head straight to your dashboard. From there, look for the Settings option and click on it. Inside Settings, you'll see several tabs. Go ahead and open the one labeled Profile. This is where you can personalize how you appear on Gumroad. Start by editing your username. This name appears publicly, so choose something that clearly represents you or your brand. Something easy to remember and consistent with your online presence. Next, move to your bio section. This is your chance to tell people who you are and what you do. Keep it short, genuine, and engaging. A few well-chosen lines can help potential buyers or followers connect with you instantly. Now, let's add some visual personality to your profile. Upload a clear profile picture or your brand logo. Make sure the image is crisp and aligns with your brand's tone. It's the first thing visitors will notice, so pick one that gives a strong first impression. Once you have adjusted everything, scroll down and click on Update Settings to save your changes. And that's it. Your Gumroad profile is now customized and ready to impress. Remember, a well-designed profile isn't just about looks. It helps build trust, attract followers, and strengthen your brand identity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Gumroad tutorials.